1,000. The receipt is on my madam. Yeah. Samsung 53, I think. Ayan guys, oh, nice photo, nice photo. Ito na kami. Ah, ganda. Oh, this is the first time go to inside, so I don't know if okay. Oh, wow, nice, Tocho. The seaside. Oh, you see? If have the fireworks, yeah, can stay there maybe. I don't know. Wow, nice. The upstairs can go can go up. Wow. Oh, ang ganda. This is the first time, guys. So, dahil wala naman siyang nakalagay na bawal, ano? Yan pong kumukuti-kutitap na yan is yung, ano, yung Macau Tower. So, yeah, it's nice. Oh. 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 Take photo daw. So, okay guys. Ayan, yan. Addict sa picture yan. So, Are you sure? You take photo? Yeah. Okay. Ayan guys. Oh, this is the first time. So, ano ko nga yung aming camera. Ibaliktad ko. Oh, tayo. Ayan, lucky ko. Lucky ko. Ganda, oh. Yeah, go back. Ayan, ganda guys. Oh, diba? So, ayan guys. Lumabas lang po kami para kasi boring daw siya. Let's go! Here! Last. Ha? Finish line. Ganda, oh. Wait. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh. Ayan guys yung tulay. Oh. Yan na yung tulay, oh. Diyan kami nadaan. Tojo. Come on. Hey. Wow. Ganda. Oh. So, ayan na guys yung yung last. This is the last. Come on. Ayaw niya. Mas malayo dun eh. So, ayan guys. No? Ito po yung kabila niya ay yung na, bus stop na. Guys, let's go. Go back. Oh. Kasi yes. Huh? Here. So, ayan guys. Labas na tayo. Ayaw ni dito. Sa gilid, sa kabila. Gusto niya doon. Balik kami sa malayo. Ayan guys, baba tayo dito sa hagdan. Try naman natin dito. Ayan, sa kanilang baba. Ayan yung taas nila, oh. Na doon kami galing kanina. So, huh? No, not good. Huh? Oh. Oh, you go there. Okay. Oh, here. Better. No, like have the light there. Better. Come on. Okay, guys. Let's go. Ang addict sa picture. So, dito na tayo sa front. Let's go. At tayo ay going to, may plants na sila. Going to bus stop. Ayan. Actually guys, may camera, ang dami, oh. Wow, so many. Naka-tune in lang po siya. Ito ay park. So, ito pala. What's this? Cannot. Here. At dahil wala naman siyang sasakyan, dito tayo. Kasi wala pa siya guys, as in virgin na virgin yung building. So, ito po ay ang balik tayo dito. Ang calories. Ano to? I don't know. Ayan guys. Oh. Can go up? Huh? Can go there. So, ayan guys. Dahil ayan po ay ang Yoho Treasure Islands. So, bye-bye guys.